If you're someone who codes every day and wants a tool that actually lives in your editor, Cursor AI is honestly one of the most impressive tools out there right now. It's a fork of VS Code that's been reworked to be AI first, which means everything about it, from autocomplete to debugging to code navigation, has been designed to make your workflow faster using AI. What sets Cursor apart is how tightly integrated it is. You don't have to copy-paste into ChatGPT or Claude. The AI works with your files, your code base, and your context directly. You can ask it to refactor a function, write unit tests, or even explain why a bug might be happening. And it just does it. It also supports multiple AI models, including GPT-4 and Claude, depending on your plan. But the real magic is how smoothly it fits into your workflow. You can search your entire code base using natural language, make edits across multiple files with a single prompt, and even generate docs or comments on the fly. For day-to-day coding tasks, it's like having a very fast, smart junior dev sitting next to you, helping out wherever you need. Now, if your focus is SEO-related coding, things like automating site audits, working with APIs like Google Search Console or refs, generating meta tags or structured data, or optimizing technical aspects of websites, Cursor is still great for implementation. It'll help you write scripts, debug crawlers, and manage any backend work tied to SEO. But if your need is more about analyzing large data dumps, parsing logs, or doing more analytical and strategic SEO work at scale, then Claude Code might be more up your alley. Claude is better when you're dealing with lots of data or messy logic, like if you want to feed in an entire sitemap, a log file, or a full report and have it help you make sense of it. So while Cursor is a tool you want to open while you're building or editing SEO tools or websites, Claude is the one you go to when you want deep insight or help sorting through a complex SEO dataset.